So, good morning, guys. Today is the 30th of August, and it's a Wednesday, and I'm home. So, I don't have anything in the fridge, and I'm trying to put together just a few stews and a soup. No, not a few, but like I'm doing kontomire, tomato stew, and then light soup, so that I can store in the fridge for at least it will take us maybe we have small family, so maybe 5 days. I don't know. It depends on how often the do I say the occupants of this house eat. Okay, but I'm currently 30 weeks pregnant, and usually during the week I pick one day out that I don't work like on the computer, and then I use it to do my stuff at home. So today is Wednesday, and today is that day for this week. Okay, so I'll just get right into the video, but yeah. Oh, so it's almost 12 now. I am going to the stews and the soup. They are still on fire. What I'm going to do is to wash the dishes now, and then um after it's done, I have rice in the fridge. I'll probably heat some up with the stew. After that, I'll just take a nap before the boys get back. So let's do the dishes. So the soup is still on fire, and the kontomire and the what is it called? The tomato stew, they are ready. So I've poured them in the storage bowls. I'm going to allow them to cool down and then I'll put them in the fridge. So the thing is, I was trying to be ambitious, overly ambitious, and record food content for the channel, of course. But I'm tired, so I'm going to. The boys have been requesting pancakes for breakfast since Monday. Today is Wednesday. I just want to make do the mixture and then put it in the fridge so that tomorrow morning and then Friday morning I'll just have to just fry and then they'll take them to school. So I'm mixing it then I'll put it in the fridge. So I'm not going to use any measurements. I'm just going to eyeball them. Okay. I'm tired. I'm coming to eat some. I changed my mind. So it's rice and kontomire stew, okay? And once I'm done, it's almost 1. It's 5 minutes to 1 p.m. When I'm done, I'm just going to lie down and take a nap. The soup is almost done. So I'm just going to lie down and take a nap before the boys bring their energy to meet me here. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. On I don't know what to call it, this short day with me. 30 weeks pregnant. A few weeks to go before I meet my princess. And I'm so excited. We are all super, my husband and I, of course, we are super excited. And yeah, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share when you're done watching. And until I see you again, keep blooming.